Parts of Delhi experienced rainfall on Wednesday morning. The minimum temperature was 26.4 C, slightly below the season's normal. Humidity was at 92% at 8:30 am, according to the IMD. The weather office predicts generally cloudy skies with light to moderate rains. Thunderstorms are also expected throughout the day. Delhi's maximum temperature is forecasted to be around 32 C.